The 2026 Honda Rebel 500 continues Honda's strong legacy of producing accessible, stylish, and reliable middleweight cruisers, but this new model pushes the formula further with refinements in performance, technology, and riding comfort. The overall design still preserves the Rebel's iconic bobber style, but the 2026 version presents a more mature, muscular posture with cleaner body lines, a tighter LED lighting package, and improved finishing. Honda has updated the materials on the tank, fenders, and side panels, giving the motorcycle a more premium texture, while subtle changes in ergonomics enhance comfort for both shorter and taller riders. The low seat height remains a major attraction, making it extremely beginner-friendly, yet the chassis rigidity and improved suspension tuning ensure that seasoned riders can also enjoy its balance and handling precision. Powering the 2026 Rebel 500 is the updated 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, refined to deliver smoother low-end torque and a more responsive mid-range. Honda has reworked the ECU mapping and improved the intake flow, resulting in crisper throttle behavior, especially noticeable during city commuting and low-speed maneuvers. The engine still maintains its signature reliability and predictable character, but now feels slightly livelier and more confident when accelerating onto highways. Paired with a 6-speed transmission that shifts with Honda's typical smoothness, the Rebel offers an engaging ride without overwhelming the rider. Fuel efficiency remains one of the bike's strong points, making it a practical choice for daily use while still delivering enough power for weekend trips and spirited riding. One of the biggest upgrades for 2026 is its enhanced suspension system, which now uses improved damping characteristics to provide a more stable and controlled ride. The front fork feels firmer without being harsh, reducing dive during braking and improving overall feedback. At the rear, the dual shocks have been recalibrated to offer better support when riding with a passenger or carrying luggage, giving the Rebel a more versatile personality. Honda has also upgraded the braking system with more progressive lever feel and stronger stopping power, supported by a refined ABS system that performs smoothly even on wet surfaces. The combination of better suspension and brakes makes the 2026 Rebel significantly more confident on twisty roads and uneven city terrain. Technology also receives meaningful updates, beginning with a redesigned LCD display that offers clearer visibility under direct sunlight, and now includes additional ride information such as gear position, fuel consumption data, and more intuitive warning indicators. Honda has introduced a new optional traction control system for added safety, a smart touch for riders transitioning from smaller bikes. LED lighting is improved to provide wider illumination at night, increasing comfort and safety during long-distance rides. The attention to detail in the switchgear, wiring layout, and overall build quality elevates the 2026 Rebel 500 into a more premium category without sacrificing its minimalist style.